Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the pink dandelion seed in Heartopia. So in this spring season, Heartopia has a new event that called Dreamlight Cinematic, and at this event, Heartopia introduced a brand new flower that called dandelions like this. And you can buy the starter seed from the NPC plant in 3 colors, red, white, and yellow. And you can unlock many more colors using crossbreeding. And today I will show you how to get the pink dandelion seed. First, make sure you already have the starter seed. And now for the breeding setup or breeding layout, you can plan these combinations close to each other like this. Like just plant it alternately like this. You can just copy my layout. And after that, after planting, just water them and wait until they bloom. And don't harvest the flower yet, just keep watering daily, and eventually you will see a floating seeds appear above the plant. That means crossbreeding worked, and usually these crossbreed seeds appear in the morning in the game. And to speed up, you can also ask your friends to help water your plants. And from my experience, this really increases the spawn rate of crossbreeding seed. And in my case, my crossbreed produces pink dandelion seeds from the white and red flower. And okay, that's how you can get the pink dandelion seeds in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.